Buying fragrances without smelling them first is a risk. Sometimes you discover absolute gems and sometimes you regret your decision. Today I have two fragrances that I bought completely blind and are Amber Empire from French Avenue and Ateeq from Nusuk. Let's find out if they are worth it. So let's start with Amber Empire from French Avenue. This is supposed to be a clone of Clive Christian Blonde Amber, a fragrance that it costs like $500. Here's the presentation. This looks like the bottle inside. And so this is how the bottle looks like. Very nice presentation, I have to say. The cap is heavy. But let's see how it smells. Let me check quickly the notes. Vanilla pond, liquor, cashmere wood, amber, sugarcane, cedarwood, tonka, sandalwood, musk and labdanum. But now let's find out how it smells. Well, this is definitely sweet, ambery, very ambery. I don't know, I smell something like orange. It's difficult to explain. Yeah, immediately warm, rich, very alluring, I would say. Spicy and also sophisticated. I mean, it has something like a line like Stronger With You, for sure, but in its own way. It's not like you can compare it to Stronger With You. But it goes in that direction of sweetness, ambery. But just the first smell, the first impression, it smells way more expensive than $23. That's what I paid for it. So the first one, I have to say, I like it very much. This is great. I can't wait winter coming to be able to wear this one. This is definitely date night scent, evening, maybe club, not office and not summer. And now let's move on to Nusuk Ateeq. This one is supposed to be, for many content creators, the best clone of Naxos. Let's find out. So here the presentation. The box open like this. Very nice presentation, very nice box. The perfume fits perfectly inside here, and again, like the other one, like Amber Empire, the bottle looks amazing. This is one of the nicest bottles I ever seen. And well, it reproduced the bee hive. Very quickly, let me check the notes. Top notes are honey, cinnamon, amber, grapefruit, lime. Middle notes are tobacco, lavender, jasmine, and base notes are tonka, cedarwood, coumarin, musk, vanilla orchid. But now the most important thing, let's see how it smelled. Oh wow, incredible. Pressurized atomizer. And yes, just the first sniff, if you are familiar with Xerjoff Naxos, you will smell it. And I have like, I would say minty note, or maybe a lime. Maybe it's the lime, maybe it's the grapefruit. So just, it opens citrusy more than honey. And yeah, I really like it. It's sweet, maybe sweeter, also a little bit darker than Xerjoff Naxos. But well, the presentation and everything, and now the smell is just amazing for the price, I have to say. And this is Nusuk Ateeq, also really great. First impressions, I'm very happy with my blind buys. I will rate this 8 out of 10, 8.5 out of 10. Definitely a winter fragrance I can't wait to wear the next winter. And this is also leaning to winter, but I think also fall and late summer. And for summer evening, you can wear it also. This is also 8.5 out of 10. So both great, great. I'm so happy. These are hyped, but for a reason. So were these blind buy worth it? At first impression, I have to say yes, they were definitely worth it, especially for the price, the value that they add to my collection. Have you tried either of these two fragrances? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you in the next episode.